Hi, everyone. I'm Tanvi Choksi, and will be sharing my thoughts and views on competencies, skills of the future, and how we can develop them. In the 1990s, IBM's Deep Blue beat Grandmaster Gary Kasparov in chess. Today, IBM Watson Computer is beating contestants on Jeopardy. A decade ago, workers were worried about jobs being outsourced overseas. Today, companies such as Odesk and LiveOps can assemble teams in the cloud to do sales, customer support, and many other tasks. 5 years ago, it would have taken years for NASA to tag millions of photographs taken by its telescope. But with the power of collaborative platforms, the task can be accomplished in just a few months with the help of thousands of human volunteers across the world. Global connectivity, smart machines, and new media are just some of the drivers shaping how we think about work and what constitutes work and the skills we need to be productive contributors in the future. I'll be talking a little about the key drivers that will reshape the landscape of work and key work skills needed in the next 10 years. But before I get into that, let me talk about the why. What are the drivers for this change in the future skills? And there are really 5 drivers that I'll touch upon. First is the lifespans increasing. Focus on health, different lifestyles are resulting into need for very different services and products of the future. The second driver is rise of machines and systems. I think new generation of automated systems are replacing humans in some spaces, freeing us up to actually do the things that we are good at and actually enjoy doing. Of course, some routine jobs will be taken over by machines. This has already happened and will continue. It'll be a unique partnership between humans and machines. The third trend is computational world. Just the massive increase in sensors and processing power available is going to make us look at data everywhere, see patterns in data and make database decisions. And that's going to drive the future quite significantly. The fourth one is superstructured organizations. Social technologies drive new forms of production and value creation. Today, we see organizational landscapes being disrupted. Science games from companies like Foldit and Galaxy Zoo are engaging thousands of people to solve problems no single organization had the resources to do before. We at JLL are working with the startups to see how real estate services can be disrupted, and we can create that disruption in partnership with these new technology companies that are coming into play. And the last trend is globally connected world. Just the increased global interconnectivity puts diversity and adaptability at the center of organizational operations. So with these 5 drivers that are forcing us to change and look at future skills differently, what are the skills that we will actually need? And I have categorized those into 6 areas or 6 skills. The first one is social intelligence and people management. The ability to connect to others in a deep and direct way, and to sense and stimulate reactions and desired interactions is going to be extremely important. How do we manage teams is going to be really important. So that's one. Second is novel and adaptive thinking, creativity. How do we think creatively, come up with solutions and responses that are not rote or rule based? Third is cross-cultural competencies and emotional intelligence, the ability to work in different cultural settings. Fourth is computational thinking. We did talk about data. So how do we translate vast amount of data and make decisions based on that data? Fifth is solving complex problems and a transdisciplinary approach. Gone is the time when you can just specialize in one area. You will have to look at transdisciplinary approaches because today's problems are so complex that they need multiple ways of thinking and solving them. And the last one is virtual collaboration and negotiation, the ability to work productively, drive engagement, and demonstrate presence as a member of a team virtually, or even lead teams virtually.